So this is it. This has arrived in the mail. Yes, it is. And it is the RAM for my Dell Precision 760 or 760. Here it is. RAM. Okay, look at that. 32 GBs. Can I slide it out? Okay. Just take the rubber band off. Unboxing RAM. First time I've ever done this. Bubble wrap off, and there it is. There is my RAM. Look at this. Vengeance Sodium DDR4. Here we go. Okay, so let's see how much of this I can get done here. Okay. Peel it open. Very, very carefully. Okay. Get this out of the way. Very, very carefully. Almost $400 worth of premium RAM. Have its safety compliance information. Well, basically, what does that say? What is all that writing? I simply cannot read that. Seriously, cannot read it. Whoa, this is really sealed good. This is not going to be easy. Not going to be easy to take apart. But I see a little tab there where it comes apart. I do this and it comes out. Whoa! There it is. Incredible. Okay. Okay. Next step, look at this. The laptop. Okay, so move that out of the way. And a laptop. This is the Dell Precision 7750. So let's do this. Yep. So these screws come out, but they have a mushroom on the end so they don't fly away. This corner. Undo this so they don't fall out. Apparently, this saves a huge amount of technician time when it comes to lost screws. Back in a second. Get the fingernail in there. Can I? Oh yeah. There you go, you can see that. Oh, wow. Okay. There's one screw that's still grabbing on a bit. It's off. It's off. There is a ram right there. Here we go. Do I know what I'm doing? Who knows what I'm doing? See the ram? It's like that. Is there any left and right? Does it just lift up? Like what? Find out. So following some videos, generally they like to disconnect the battery, so I'm going to disconnect the battery. Just, I don't know, just put my finger in there and just drag it out. Bit difficult to see what's going on there. Do I really know what's going on? Let's just put my finger in there and just push it. Difficult to see what's going on there. Can't actually tell what comes out. I mean, just pull that out. Just pull that. Oh yeah. Whoa, shit. Okay, there's a little handle. There's literally a handle there, and pull that straight out. That's disconnected. So the ram here, little arm there, and I'll just pull that out. Ouch. Pull the arm. Lever. And we're going to wreck this. I mean, the guy in the video just went for it, you know? Just went, put his finger there and just dragged it out. I'm not going to be that rough. I'm going to take it easy. I do super slow. Oh, jeez, man. Is that out? Oh, wow. Okay. Jeez. Okay, the little silver thing. little silver thing. And it just lifts straight up. Okay, so one is like that. It's like that. Okay, so I'm looking here. I'm looking here to make it match up. It's got to be upside down, I think. They look identical. This is from someone that doesn't know anything. The only way it can go in is upside down that way. Let's have a look. So that matches that. So that is the old one, matches that side. So in it's going to go. That's the back side. That's the front side. But this has got very beautiful labeling there. Vengeance. So it's going to go in like that. Just push it in. And just push it in. And just push it in like that. It's in. Okay. I do recall they weren't the same way, so they're different. That's in. Battery. Little battery connector. This is funny how that came out. Hopefully this is going to go in easy. I can't really see what's going on there. That seems to be in. Okay, push that in. And put the laptop together again. So the back's about gone, but I haven't screwed it together yet because I'm going to check to see if it works. Here we go. Hopefully I don't have to do anything with the BIOS. It's going to fire up. Not off to a good start. It's a black screen. Okay, that's a good start because it says Dell. Please, please. Why are you so slow? Shite, why are you so slow? The keyboard light's on. Whoa. The Dell's on. The Dell is on. What's going on? What's going on, Dell? Please. Please. It's a good start. Oh my God, is this my first successful laptop RAM upgrade from a complete amateur? Whoa, it's fired up. It's got a control panel. Control panel. Everything's slow. Why? So slow. Still booting up, basically. Yeah, still booting up. System. Come on, system. 32 GB. 32 GB. 31.6 usable. Success. Success. Now the next step is the speed. The speed of the RAM. Okay, the speed of the RAM. There it is. There it is. Installed RAM speed 32. 32. Success. Success. 32,000. Okay, now let's go back a bit. Let's also go to Task Manager. And we go to RAM. We go to Performance. And we go to RAM. Memory. It's already on memory. Let's make it bigger. So here we have in use 9 GB, 22 GB available. Speed 3200. Hardware reserve 372. But we have in use 9.2 and 22 GB available. 9.6 committed. 57 GB in total. It's looking really good. Success. Now that it's all working, the very final step is to screw it back together, which is fair to say easy compared to the other stuff that I have to do. That's not going back together as well as I'd liked. This last screw here. That's interesting. That's not as smooth as I would have liked. Something going on there. I keep turning it. It's getting tighter and tighter. But it wasn't as easy to turn as the other ones. See this one here. Let's try this one here. This one's super easy until the very end. Yep, it's good. Lucky last. Not very good lighting here. Not good lighting at all. Sorry guys. It's not a great video. Okay, I'm not going to bore you anymore. This is the final part of the RAM upgrade for the Dell Precision 7750. Thank you. 32 gigabytes of RAM. Yes, yes, yes.